Hello everyone. Let's read this book. It's called Hatch. Peek and see the baby animals. Let's see what's there. My egg is laid on a farm in brown or cream or white. But when I crack out of my shell, I'm fluffy, cute and bright. Can you guess? Oh, I'm a chick. Cheep, 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 cheep. I'm a chick. Let's see the other animal. My egg has a softer shell than others you'll see. And when I start to hatch, you might want to run from me. Who am I? I am a snake. I am a snake. Hiss. I come from a pretty egg, a lovely shade of blue. You'll find me paddling on the pond or flying over you. Can you guess? Who am I? I am a duckling. Quack, 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 quack. Let's see the next animal. Keep far away from my egg when it starts to crack. I may be small and smiley, but I will bite you back. Who am I? I am an alligator. Snap, 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 snap. Let's see the next animal. My mother hides my little egg in a secret place. I hatch upon the beach and then out to sea I race. Who am I? I am a turtle. I am a turtle. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Let's see the next animal. When I hatch out from my egg, I'll fly around at night. My loud hooting noises might give you an awful fright. Who am I? I am an owlet. Hoot, 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 hoot. I am an owlet. Let's see the next animal. My egg is laid in the snow, but I'm kept warm and snug. And when it's time to hatch, I get the biggest family egg. Hug. I am a penguin. And that's the end of this beautiful story. Thank you for being with me.